Welcome to the Student Locator Framework SIF Agent New Year Rollover Process podcast. I'm Michael Ingalls, a Senior Technical Trainer here at Pearson. Let's get started. Here's the agenda for this session. We'll talk about the New Year Rollover documentation that is available, discuss the New Year Rollover process for the Student Locator SIF Agent, and then show a demonstration of that New Year Rollover process. We'll finish by looking at support that is available to you. If you are part of a state implementation, please refer to any state-issued documentation that will explain your procedures for New Year Rollover. There is a solution available from the Customer Support Center website, solution number 151, entitled New Year Rollover Procedures, Student Locator. You can also read the New Year Rollover If you are part of a state implementation, please refer to any state-issued documentation that will explain your procedures for New Year Rollover. There is a solution available from Customer Support Center's website. It's solution number 151, entitled New Year Rollover Procedures, Student Locator. You can also read the New Year Rollover PDF. It will be found in a folder that has your Student Locator agent. Another document is the New Year Rollover article that you received by way of email. It is also solution number 188 on the Pearson Data Solutions Customer Support Center website. Once you have gathered and reviewed all documentation, you're ready to move forward. Let's go ahead and discuss how to complete the New Year Rollover process for the Student Locator SIF Agent. There are essentially 5 easy steps to complete the New Year Rollover process for the Student Locator. First, you'll need to complete your normal Student Information System's New Year Rollover process, both for the application, and then you'll move and complete the New Year Rollover processes for the Student Information System's SIF Agent. Then, open up the Student Locator console and unsynchronize the zones. Go to the agent settings and change the school year, and resynchronize your zones as the last step. Please note, the instructions provided in the previous section apply to final New Year Rollover only and are not suitable for general year-to-year operations of the system. If you need to obtain state IDs for pre-enrolled students that will not become active until next year, you must do so with a manual non-SIF process. Consult the documentation for your state's ID management system or information provided by your state Office of Education for specific details on manually obtaining and importing state IDs. So let's go ahead and look at a demonstration of the process. Before I came to the Student Locator agent, I already completed my Student Information System New Year Rollover process for both the application and its supporting agent. I'm now ready to complete the process for the Student Locator agent. To do so, I open up the console. I select Tools, Unsynchronize, checkmark all boxes for all zones that I'm going to unsynchronize, select the Unsynchronize button, and confirm the message with each zone. Now that I've unsynchronized all of my zones, the next step is to go to Settings, go to New Year School Year under the default zone settings, change to the appropriate school year, and select Close. To prepare myself again for synchronizing all of my zones, I'm going to shut down the agent by going to File, Shut Down Agent. Confirm by hitting OK, and my agent is now shut down. Now that I've shut down the agent, I'm going to go ahead and open up the agent. To start up the agent, I'll go through the services if it's running as a Windows service, or go to the drive where the Student Locator is stored and select Student Locator Framework Standalone. Next, I'll open up my console and finish the last step of the New Year Rollover process. This is done by going to Tools, Synchronize, and then follow the wizard steps to synchronize all of your schools. I've now completed the synchronization process for the Student Locator framework. I've now completed my processes for New Year Rollover and will go through the normal processes to resolve students who do not have unique state IDs. So now you've seen a demonstration of the New Year Rollover process for the Student Locator framework. If you get completely stuck, there are resources available to you. Contact the Data Solutions support group at Pearson. There are multiple ways you can interact with us. You can log a case with our support team from our Customer Support Center website found at www.pearsondatasolutions.com, then click Support. You can call us at 877-790-1261, option 2, or email us at support@pearsondatasolutions.com. Thank you for joining me on this podcast. Good luck with your New Year Rollover process.